What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I'm taking you to another property tour. I'm at PV18 Setapak, so let's go. So this is Jalan Langkawi. This main road is Jalan Langkawi, and that is Taman Setapak. We are actually in Taman Setapak, Jalan Langkawi. So you can see right opposite there is all the landed house. Okay, landed house, and there's an apartment there. And this is where the PV18 is just along the Jalan Langkawi. This is PV18 already. Alright. So I'm actually at the entrance of PV18. This is how it looks like for the guard house. You come out from there, you need an access card. Okay. This is how the building looks like. Beside there's an apartment, and this is how the building looks like. So as a pedestrian, you need the access card. Once you've got the access card, you can come out from here, but go in from this side, pedestrian. Okay. And here you are in the PV18. Registration done. Now I'm entering the property. So I'm going to the visitor parking. Anywhere also can. No need to follow the serial number. As long as you see the word visitor there is okay. Okay. So we have 40 floors for block A. We are going to the 9th floor facility. Let's go. Level 9. So level 9 is where the facility at, but there are also units on level 9. Okay, so we're gonna go to the facility. Let's go. So come here. Yes, facility. Wow, the view very nice eh. It's literally unblocked view because everything here is landed right up till the mountain there. So these are all units. So let's go. They do have the drain area just to drain out the water, which is good. Wow. Okay, so we're coming to the swimming pool. Wow, look at the swimming pool. Look at the size of it. My God. This is beautiful. Look at the size of it. Okay, so we are at the middle. This is block A. Just now I came down, and we are going to go to block B. So there's two ways to go to block B. One is through the facility on level 9. The other one is through the ground floor. Okay. So this, wow. Okay, so this is I think the lazing pool. Not you fall inside. So I'm at the end here. I think this one is for the children's playground. Oh, from here, actually, PV 18, right behind PV 18 is school. Okay, so that is SMK Danau Kota there. I don't know whether there's any. Oh, this is actually the school's football field. I just noticed. I think this one is a school football field. So that's the school there. And yes, we have more facilities down at the ground floor that you can go. So you can sit down here. Not much lah. I mean, the pool is amazing actually. Let's go see the outdoor workout. So this is one of the pool. We are going to go to another one, the side. This one I need to be careful. Fell with this. Let's go for the view. Palm room. Really 7 to 10 PM. Unblock view. This is the pool. Whoa! Infinity Edge. No, not really Infinity Edge, but good lah. So you can come in from here, go into there. That is the changing room. This is the multi-purpose hall here. Okay. So block B is actually closer to the swimming pool, I think. This because up here is block B already. Look at the view. Seriously. This is the gym.
Hey boss, good morning.
Good morning, boss. So we got stuff here. Right. So we're going to wait. Okay, here. So I'm in the gym. Okay. Quite standard lah. Got treadmill. Got okay. Dumbbell. This determination, discipline. Wow. Bench, everything is here. So it's actually a small gym, but it's complete lah. Everything, basics that you need, everything is all here. Okay. And if you feel like it after the gym, jump into the pool. That's what you can do. So we are done here. I need to tag out again. Okay. What's up? That is the lift to the Bomba lift. I think that one is where to go up to block B. So again, we can see right on the facility floor there are also units. Okay, so less privacy lah. Honestly, I don't prefer units on the facility floor. I would prefer higher, a bit higher lah. Not definitely not 9 or 10, but a bit higher, maybe 15. So that I don't have to wait for lift for too long. That's just me though. Some people they want the unit like that because it's usually bigger. You can see I think extra here, extra land here. I think it belongs to the unit. So this is a place where you can hang out after your pool stuff. You go right all the way to the end, which wait. Just it's the view that you get. So we come to the end. This is very simple facility, basic, everything is here. Okay? Oh, but everything except a barbecue pit. I didn't see a barbecue pit here. If I'm not mistaken, that is block C, which is the Rumah Whip actually. They have block A and B, it's normal one, and normal open market units, and block C is the rumah whip. Rumah whip as in affordable housing. So let's go up to the unit, block B, alright? Okay, so we're gonna take a look at this unit. This unit, block B, has 3 rooms, 3 bathrooms. So the owner has already put a partition to make it into 4 rooms for room rental. Let's take a look at the unit. Actually, it's a very big unit actually. Come in here. That's where you see the space, such a big space. And put shoe racks, and put not even one shoe rack, and you can put a whole cabinet if you want. And close the gate. And this is the unit. Okay, so the moment you come in, the unique part is that the 3 room, 3 bathroom, right? This room here is actually has an own attached bathroom. So you have actually 2 master bedrooms actually in this unit. So you go down, you go in the corridor. This room is supposed to be a living room. So this is the partition part. So you can see. So this is the living hall. The moment you come in, right? Actually, the living hall already down here. And that is a balcony. Balcony is this place actually. This one will be very nice to stay because it's overlooking the school. Okay. You can hear. That's very peaceful. That is, as you can see, the rumah whip. So overlooking the school, and field. So there's no traffic here. There's not. It's not like the other side where you'll be overlooking the main road, Jalan Langkawi. So this is no traffic. Very quiet. Very nice. So aircon here, and this is how big the room is actually. I'm standing at the balcony. So there's 2 aircons here. Standing at balcony. This is how big it is. Okay. So from the hall, if you come out the hall and turn left, is your kitchen. Stairway kitchen here. Okay. And this will be the yard. You can see the length of the yard. Length is so long and so big. You can put your washing machine, you can hang your stuff here. And this will be the other room, another room, and straight will be master room. Okay, so if you go up, on the left will be the restroom. Look at the size of the restroom. Look at the size of it. Up. Okay, so open the door, right? The master room, open the door, then you get the master restroom. Okay. Master restroom. And this is the largest room in the house. This is the master room. It's very big. And you can see here. So you can window here, you'll be overlooking the other block, the rumah whip, and also the school okay. So from here, actually you can see a bit clearer That's the rumah whips. I think the playground Then down there is a parking. Okay. So this is how big the master room is. Actually, this master room, right? This one is a queen size, I think. But you can actually fit a king size and put a wardrobe easily. There's even a TV plug there if you want to put TV. Okay. So it's actually very big, the room. Seriously big. I'm just gonna stand on the corner and just show you the size of the room. Then now, okay, that's it. We should go to other place. That's it for a tour of the unit. Alright. Okay, so where am I now? That is block B, where we came from, and then we walk across, right? And this is walk across to this parking. This parking, ladies and gentlemen, is the block C, which is the rumah whip parking. So from the rumah whip parking, right, you can actually go to that. They have a link and access to the open market units parking. Okay. However, the residents of the affordable housing, the access card can only access to their own units and facilities. Okay, so this is, I think maybe they do this because affordable housing usually have just one parking. So maybe if like the owners have extra parking and they want to get parking, they can rent out the parking here lah. I think that's why they do this because every floor, right, you can actually come to the owner's parking. So I'm on level 8 and you can see the parking, right, it's actually very airy, very big, very nice. Good, got CCTV, very good. So usually at the highest floor of the parking lah, where you can need to turn at highest floor, you will get this kind of very high parking ceiling and also very airy, so it's very spacious. Okay, so this is how it looks like lah. Okay, so you come out from block B, you turn left, right, you will see a mini market here. Ecomart, there's a convenience store right down, and also for staff only. I think this is a printing business. Oh, it's another business that can rent. So there are shops down there lah, actually. Shops. Good lah, actually. This is the typical condominium where you have the convenience store here. So this side, come out the block B, turn right. And this is another shops. These shops will be right at the guardhouse, so you increase visibility. Cake decorating workshop. Oh, this is mini bakes. It's for cakes. Oh, they even have a restaurant here and have your meal. Very nice. I'm not sure what. Oh yeah, there's another restaurant. Nice. You know, the food looks delicious, man. This is the meeting room. Of course, it's under management. So go up the staircase. Go up this short staircase. That will be the management office of the condominium. Okay. Looking from the top there and here, really different, man. Look at the size of the field. It's huge, way. Wow. Really miss those days when running around the field. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's it for the tour of PV18. I hope you like it. So you can see that this place is high dense, but I like the corridor. Actually, the corridor is big, the units are big. It's very suitable for own stay. Actually, a lot of people own stay, they want to stay here. It's a good nice place to be, because right now you have the Ballot, the shopping center, and it's close walking distance actually, and it's close to everything that you want, like Taman Danau Kota also nearby. Okay, and see, the facilities are nothing to shout about, but everything is basic, is given. Okay, even the units are coming with 2 car parks. And one thing that I noticed very interesting is that the ground floor, right, they have restrooms. Usually waiting area and ground floor don't have any restrooms one, but I think these restrooms are there to cater for the retail lots. Okay, so if you are coming here, you're having your meals here, you can go to the restroom down there. Okay, that's about it, I guess. For the price that you're paying and for the location, I think it's a very good place for you to stay here. So that's it for me. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.